Showing?
Yep. That's good.
What's up, everyone? It's Ed and Kate. So we made it to our campground. The video that you just saw with the waterfall was actually tomorrow's hike. We came here for the day to camp out and just relax and chill and hike in the morning tomorrow. How's everything going?
Good. I got my Jamaican me happy.
Jamaican me happy.
And it's definitely making me happy.
What kind of drink is it?
Strawberry, watermelon.
Okay.
Delicious. Lemon flavored beer, but it's good.
Nice. It's the Wild Side Brew Hopperhead IPA. We're gonna have some of that. We're gonna roast some hot dogs. That's like I think our food of choice to cook when we come out camping and stuff.
This is really nice out today.
Yeah, it's really nice out, so we're gonna do a little relaxation, chill by the fire, listen to the water. As you can see, we're camped right by a stream over there. We got our truck bed tent up, and we haven't used that in a while, right?
Yeah.
And then we're just gonna chill. So here's a tour of our truck bed tent. We'll start with the ceiling. Got the lamp up there. And then the bottom side I just used to store my bags and random stuff. Got the jet boil later to cook some soup. And then we put our boots down there. And then that's pretty much it. And then actually on the side over here, I use as storage to put like my keys, my wallet, and stuff like that. Got my protection right here, just in case. And then, let's see. So back here is how we set up the bed. This is a full-size air mattress. And then, that's it, that's Katie right there.
Hi.
Hi. And then, so that's it. This is how we pretty much camp in our truck bed tent when we go to a site where you know it's hard to put a tent on the ground. And as you can tell right now, it's okay, but it's a little bit muddy. So we're right by the water. And then I did get a recommendation from a subscriber stating that they would like to have like a pinpoint of where we are. So I will put a pinpoint link at the bottom in the comments. That's it for right now. We're gonna go into a Q&A, just a couple of questions while we're in here. So we're gonna set that up real quick and we'll get right back. So if the running water noise is in the background, apologize for that. Shouldn't be there with the shotgun mic. But anyways, let's go into some questions. So we got some questions here. We're gonna answer some of them. Other ones we're gonna answer down the in other videos. The first one, we got Cody Otto, who asked, "Awesome videos, man. I love the outdoors and your videos inspire me to pursue my passions more." That's great. "I'd love to hear more about your favorite camping or hiking locations, and also what is your favorite food to make while out camping or backpacking. Thanks, and Happy New Year." Happy New Year, Cody. So our favorite camping or hiking locations is, for me, I love the Goat Rocks Wilderness. That is probably one of my most favorite ones so far. How about you, Katie?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't think they care about me.
Yeah.
We did a backpacking trip last year to Eagle Creek, and that was a lot of fun for me because that was like a 3-day thing. And
Yeah.
that was, I think, one of the longest that we've done so far. So that was really fun. It was hard. It was very long.
Right.
But we, 2 of my friends came with us, so it was fun.
Yeah, that Eagle Creek one is a popular hike out in Oregon. A lot of people come from all over the country to hike that trail. And that's where Katie took her friends and went backpacking out there for a couple nights. And it was good times. And that's in Oregon as well. And he also asked, Cody also asked, what is your favorite food to make while out camping or backpacking?
Me? We do hot dogs a lot. I don't know if it's my favorite food to eat out here, but it's probably one of the most that we cook. Like, we cook it most frequently, so.
Yeah, we cook the hot dogs a lot because it's convenient, it's fast, it's easy. You know, you just put the hot dogs on the skewers, on the sticks or whatever, and then you just rotate over the fire and put in a hot dog bun. So, and it's not bad tasting. It's not the healthiest thing to eat, but
Yeah.
it's
quick
so
and
good.
easy,
Yeah, and we love it. We have a good
But
time.
I would say yours, if I had to pick yours, it would be steak, because you love to just cook the steak
Yeah,
and
I
eat
mean,
that.
right, convenience-wise, it would be hot dogs. My favorite food to eat while car camping would be steak, like a good ribeye steak. And we're gonna do that in one of our future videos where we'll do like camp cooking. Another person asked about camp cooking, and we're gonna do more of that. But yeah, ribeye with sometimes corn or potatoes. Nothing beats that for me. How about for backpacking?
Oh, Mountain House meals. I like the lasagna. That's my favorite, yeah.
That's my favorite too. We like the lasagnas. The lasagna Mountain House meals, they're really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's a hit or miss with some of those things, but I don't know if I would have the lasagna Mountain House meal on a car camping trip or when I'm at home, but when backpacking, like anything sounds good actually after a long, good hike. But lasagna is my favorite. James Barnes asked, awesome videos. Have you ever thought about using drones? Thanks for the compliment, James. As far as using drones, Katie's brought it up a couple of times, saying that she thinks it'd be cool to use drones. It hasn't really crossed my mind. But I think it would definitely add another level of perspective on the video. So that is maybe something we would be willing to entertain down the line. I definitely wouldn't mind having additional gear. The only issue is something like a drone, it'd be hard to bring like on a backpacking trip. But as far as like on a car camping or just like, you know, a scenic video type stuff, like totally. So maybe down the line, I wouldn't mind. Good question. That's it. So for right now, those are the questions for the Q&A. There's more questions actually that they posted, and if you do have any additional questions, you can post it here, or I do have a giveaway going on until February 15th. and you can post questions there, and then I'll address those in other Q&A videos. And like I said before, I'll link that video below, and it'll give you details on how to enter that giveaway. So yeah, as far as that goes, that's it. Thank you for your questions, guys, and thank you for all of the nice comments. We definitely appreciate it. What else?
That's it. We're just about to watch a couple movies that he downloaded.
Yeah, I downloaded some movies from Amazon Prime into my iPad, so we're just gonna hang back, relax, eat some snacks, and just chill. And since this is like a truck bed tent, there's not real. I mean, we're elevated off the ground, and pretty much it feels a lot more safer in this tent than in like a ground tent. And that's pretty much it. We'll just chill, watch some videos, relax. We'll probably sleep early and go on that hike, which you saw earlier in this video. She's already ready to go to sleep, and it's like 3 o'clock. Her bedtime's like 5.
My Jamaican drink was good.
Yeah. I mean, she sleeps early, and alcohol doesn't help. But anyways, we'll get back to you if anything else develops. Hey guys, so packed up this morning, did that hike, and we're about to head out. So that was pretty much it. If there's anything I want to tell you guys in takeaway of the truck bed tent, it's that condensation did form inside, even though we had a majority of the vents open. So that is definitely one thing to keep in mind for that tent.
We still like it a lot. It's just you need to be aware, that it's going to do that. So you need to air your stuff out and make sure it's fully dry before you pack it away.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. Aside from that, it was pretty cool. I mean, none of the poles snapped this time. I'll put a review on the truck bed tent in the description. But aside from that, yeah, it was good times.
It's 11 o'clock. Now we're going to go head out for spicy tofu soup.
Yeah, we're going to get some Korean food, and it's going to be warm, delicious, and filling. So that's it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.
See ya.